Hey guys, welcome back to Click. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discussing with you, Centellian24 Madeca Cream Cica Face Moisturizer Review. So, you might be wondering, what is this Madeca Cream that you may be hearing online? So, the Centellian24 Madeca Cream is a Korean facial moisturizer formulated to hydrate the skin while supporting skin barrier, improving the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now, according to the official website here, it's recommended for dry and sensitive skin and features a blend of Cica or centella asiatica actives, collagen, elastin, hyaluronic acid, ceramides, niacinamide, and more than 20 botanical extracts. Now, the company says these ingredients work together to moisturize the skin, improve elasticity, and help keep the skin barrier healthy. Now, using the cream is quite simple. So, as the final step of your skincare routine, apply an appropriate amount of to your face, neck, and even the back of your hands. Gently spread it over the skin and pat it until fully absorbed. Now, the moisturizer is intended for daily use, both in the morning and at night, depending on your skincare routine. Now, the official website here currently lists a 50 ml tube for around like $21 as of this moment. But as of this moment, they do have a sale like 14.70 as of the recording of this video. So, although bundle options are also available at discounted prices, now the formula has been dermatology tested and is designed to provide hydration without leaving a heavy or greasy feel on your skin. Now, that's essentially how Madeca Cream works. Now, it combines centella derived ingredients with moisturizing and skin conditioning ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, collagen, elastin, peptides, and ceramides to help hydrate the skin and support the skin's natural barrier as part of a regular skincare routine. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.